Europe starts to get the sap. United States joins Republic of Indonesia in protesting anti-deforestation law. As a draft regulation formed by the European Union with the aim of imposing due diligence obligations on a number of plantation and forestry commodities, the EU Deforestation Free Regulation, or EUDR, is considered to be one of the challenges that could harm plantations and forestry commodities in Indonesia, one of which is palm oil, and downplays Indonesia's various efforts and commitments in resolving problems related to climate change issues, to biodiversity protections in accordance with multilateral agreements, treaties, and conventions. Responding to these conditions, Indonesia became the leading country in calling for serious concern and disagreement with the EU regarding discriminatory actions against palm oil with the existence of EUDR. Apart from that, Indonesia together with Malaysia and the European Union have also agreed to form an ad hoc task force on EUDR to address various issues related to the implementations of EUDR faced by Indonesia and Malaysia. The task force was also formed to identify the best solutions and solutions related to EUDR implementation. In line with the rejection efforts made by Indonesia and Malaysia, reported via mypalmoilpolicy.com, the partisan groups from both the Republican and Democratic parties have also highlighted the EUDR policy, which is considered unfair to farmers who will enter the European market. Apart from that, delaying implementations or changing EUDR regulations is also considered to be one solution that can be implemented at this time. Furthermore, the statement of objections to the EUDR policy is also in line with the views of the EU Minister of Agriculture. Apart from that, 20 of the 27 ministers also called for a postponement of the EUDR at the Agriculture Fishery Council Configurations Council meeting which had held in the near future. Apart from that, the EUDR policy, which has also received attention from the New York Times and Financial Times, is also considered to have impacts in the form of potential problems in sustainable supply chains, prices, and consumer choices, as well as impacts on farmers and exporting countries. With this potential impact, a number of food and commodity producers hope for a more measured approach. Furthermore, the leading agriculture association in the European Union, COPA-COGECA, has also suggested postponing the implementation of the EUDR policy because it is not possible to implement it because the time for preparing a more adequate framework cannot be completed by the deadline for implementing the EUDR policy. Apart from the attention and criticism expressed by the United States and the European Agricultural Associations regarding the EUDR policy, a wave of concerns was also expressed by various countries such as India and Brazil, as well as a number of other countries which expressed very serious concerns regarding the demands of implementing the EUDR policy.